Listen, guys, log on to MEXC app or the website and do exactly what I'm about to show you right now. Now, the first you have to do is go to your DEX Plus. You can see right here. We have it here, DEX Plus. We have here DEX Plus. For those of you who cannot see it, let me just annotate this. Right? This is your DEX Plus. Now, go back to DEX Plus, just click on it, and then come here and run this analysis on any pair, right? On any pair. I'm going to show you the exact thing that we are actually going to be doing. Now, right here, you can see this is the daily time frame on this particular pair. Nothing sold. This is the ticker, nothing sold. So we're using Solana to buy this particular asset, which is nothing, right? So the schematic here that I want to show you guys is actually very straightforward. All you have to do is just pay detailed attention and get the gist very clearly. Now, let's assume market is moving like this. We have an uptrend, right? We have an uptrend. Price makes a new high. Comes back. Instead of buying from this demand level, we come back again, sweep liquidity, and then push upwards. So this is the schematic you are going to be using when trading on DEX Plus. Now, if I go to my 4-hour time frame, you're going to see the picture a little bit clearer, right? A little bit clearer. So, guys, look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. So we have one here. Let me go to 1-hour time frame. I think that's better. Yes. So from the 1-hour time frame, we can easily see that there was a sweep here. There was a sweep. But guess what? When price came down, this was what price did. Price came down. This was exactly what we did. Right? That's exactly what we did. We came here. Swept this bottom. Broke structure. And then we start looking for buys. You see? Start looking for what? Buys. So the buy did not come from here. Let me just show you this briefly. The buy did not come from here. Rather, it came below it. Right? So from here now, we have a continuation schematic, and we're hoping to see something like this now. Hope to see something like this, push to downside like this again, and then boom to the upside, guys. So we're hoping to see something like this. Once this forms here now, on the 1-hour time frame, we start buying into what? We start buying into these assets. So I'm going to look for another pair now, and let's see what it looks like. I'm going to look for another pair. Look for another pair. Okay, I don't see what I'm looking for here. I did not see it. Let me check again. Let's check for another pair. Definitely, you are going to see something to see something interesting. Annotation. Okay, let's go to holdings. Should we go to trending? Okay. Okay, let's see peeping. Let's see what peeping is doing. Mind you, these are new pairs that are just coming out. I'm doing this so that you know we're not acting based on what we've done before. Everything is fresh and brand new. All right. In next video, I'm going to show how to actually okay, I've seen one. I think I've seen one here. Okay, this is a downtrend. This is a downtrend before. Now we are arranging here like this. I would not go into this trade because I have not found my schematic yet. Now, for a downtrend, this is what we may likely see. So assume price is moving like this. Price comes down. Price will come up, take liquidity, then begin to fall to the downside. Begin to fall to the downside. Basically, this is how we're going to take our sell. So instead of price selling from here, it is going to go above it and take out the liquidity resting above here and then sell to the downside. This is the model for a sell scenario, right? I would show you something on TradingView. This is not on DEX now, but quite similar, right? This is quite similar. What's the name again? I think that was recalled. I think that was recalled USDT.P. And I caught this trade. That was yesterday. Yes. Now see where we got confirmation. We had a break from here. Normally, after this break of structure, the second one, most traders would have bought from here. But I did not. Instead, I bought here. This was where I took my entry from. All right. This was the area where I took my entry from. So guys, basically this is just how the model works. Practice this. In next video, I will actually show you how you can use fundamentals to pick out coins that are actually going to do massively well on MEXC DEX Plus by judging with the market cap, liquidity holders, top 10 percentage, security check. All right. One love. Peace out. We'll see you in the next video.